This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Facebook on your Apple Watch Ultra. It's important to understand that there isn't a dedicated Facebook app for the watch. The sole official method to receive Facebook updates and interact with them is through the notification system, which relays alerts directly from your iPhone to your wrist. This ensures you stay connected without needing to constantly check your phone. To begin, open the Watch application on your iPhone. Scroll down to the Notifications section and locate Facebook within the list of applications. Here, you must ensure that Show Alerts from iPhone is toggled on. This setting allows all Facebook notifications, including messages, likes, and comments, to be mirrored directly onto your Apple Watch Ultra, providing immediate updates right on your wrist. When a Facebook notification arrives on your Apple Watch Ultra, simply raise your wrist to view the content. You can easily dismiss these alerts by swiping left or tapping the Dismiss option. For some message notifications, you might find limited quick reply options, allowing for brief responses. However, for any extensive interaction, such as viewing profiles or writing longer comments, you will need to access the full Facebook application on your paired iPhone. To optimize your Facebook notification experience, manage the frequency of alerts directly within the Facebook application settings on your iPhone. For periods when you prefer not to be disturbed, utilize Do Not Disturb or Theater Mode on your watch. Keeping your Apple Watch Ultra's software updated ensures the best performance. Regularly reviewing your notification preferences will help you maintain a balanced and efficient connection without feeling overwhelmed by constant alerts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.